beautiful. Watch me experiment on my 3 weeks, 5 days old protective style. I took on a second job for the holiday season, and my scheduling for washing my hair took a major hit. So instead of washing it every 10 days to 2 weeks, I ended up stretching it out to this 3 weeks and 5 days old. So I am using some beauty supply store items I have in my hair care kit to detangle, wash, and style my hair. I'm going to be using vegetable glycerin, my trusted rose water that I absolutely love and always keep on hand, as well as some aloe vera juice as my first thing to spray my hair down, as well as this Pre-Poo shampoo from African Pride Moisture Miracle line and the TGIN Miracle Repair protein treatment, as well as the moisturizing treatment in that line as well too. I did not show that. I'm sorry. I thought I had a clip of that, but I didn't. But that's okay. So I'm going to detangle my hair with the spray that I created with the glycerin, the rose water, and the aloe vera juice. I use that when I do not have my Ayurvedic tea on hand. So these are all items that I keep on hand. So if I'm not able to make my DIY items, at least I have a backup so I can use it when I'm either short on time for making my DIY items, like in this situation, of course, or when I just want to switch up my routine to see exactly what works for me. I am not a store-bought girly kind of person where I would use store-bought products like from the beauty supply store. I personally prefer making my own items. So finding good beauty supply store products that work on my hair is something that I'm constantly testing out and working on. This is the first time that I'm using the TGIN Miracle Repair line, and I always have the African Pride Pre-Poo shampoo on hand since I used it 2 years ago. So I always have that on hand, but I'm a very pro fenugreek and flaxseed detangling gel girly. I just didn't have time to make any, hence that's why I'm using this store-bought Pre-Poo shampoo that I've used and love, and my hair loves as well too. So now sometimes when life happens and we're not able to do our regular routine for the things that matter to us, we have to fall back on contingency plans. And this is one of my contingency plan that I'm using so that my hair can still continue to grow and flourish and be nice and long and thick and luscious in 2025 and beyond. So we're not going to let anything stop us. We're going to make sure that we do whatever is necessary to get things done that matter to us. Now, this may look like taking an inventory of what we already have on hand, as well as taking time out to figure out if we have the time, the energy, as well as the items so that we can make it work. Oftentimes, we find that we're not able to get the results that we want because we're not able to pivot and fall back on things that may have worked for us in the past, or something that might be new that we can try just to see if it's going to work for us. And knowing what works for you is very important when it comes to dealing with your hair or your skincare or your self-care in general. And since I'm a DIY girly and I make most of the items that I put on my hair, finding store-bought products that work on my hair is not something that I'm very familiar with. So now that I understand exactly what my hair loves and exactly what works for my type of hair, which is fine, medium density, low porosity hair, when I find something that works, I stick to that item and I make sure that I test it out multiple times, 6 weeks to 2 months, sometimes 3 months, to make sure that my hair actually likes it. And if my hair actually likes it, I stick with it and I follow through with it. So this is what I am using today so that I can make sure that my hair is cleaned, my hair is detangled, and I can style my hair. Finding things that work for you will be the biggest flex when it comes to taking care of yourself, your hair, your skin, your body. This also has to do with the things that you eat, the things that you listen to, the things that you, just anything in general that makes you feel good and works for you. It's very important to invest in those things. And if you haven't found anything that works for you, then just try things, see what works. If it works, you stick to it. If it doesn't work, you just let it go. So here I am just twisting my hair up. And as you can see, my hair has grown tremendously. And I'm super excited to share with you my hair growth process from the first challenge that I did almost a year ago to today, and the magnificent growth and flourishingness that my hair has been just showing off itself with for the past few months. I cannot wait to share that with you. So as you continue to watch me detangle my hair using the products that I mentioned before, I hope that you find this video very helpful and you find this video very informative for you, to give you an idea of what you can do to transform your hair from, just not being able to find something that works to something that works. If you have similar hair like mine, fine, medium density, low porosity hair, it's very important that you find products that are lightweight, products that are moisturizing, products that are going to be helpful for maintaining the strength of your hair, because we who have fine, low porosity, medium density hair, our hair tends to break off easily. So you want to make sure that you're using things that's going to work for your hair, things that's going to strengthen your hair, things that's going to keep your hair moisturized, and things that your hair is going to love. So we are rewarded when we use things that produce positive results for us. Making things easier for our hair to remain detangled, cleaned, and moisturized allows our hair to flourish, especially if you have fine, medium density, low porosity hair. Find things that work for you. Use protein treatments. Use lightweight products. Use products that moisturize your hair, products that keep your hair healthy. And the only way you can figure out what works for you is by finding items and using them. For instance, like the Pre-Poo shampoo from African Pride that I actually love. This works for my hair when I'm in a pinch and I don't have the time to make the flaxseed gel. This comes in clutch so that I can use it on my hair, and I'm thankful that I discovered this a couple of years ago, and I've been using it ever since, especially when I'm not able. I don't use it often, but I do use it when I don't have the opportunity to make my flaxseed fenugreek gel to detangle my hair. Please note that I finger detangled my hair and I did not use any combs or tools. So this is the first phase of detangling my hair. And that is the amount of shed hair that I got, which I am grateful for. So that's it. When I get into the bathroom to wash my hair, I am able to detangle my hair much better under running water. And I'm able to get out more shed hair from my hair so that it can be completely detangled and ready. I leave this on for about 30 to 40 minutes under a plastic cap, and then I wash my hair out completely. I then follow up with the protein treatment that I found from TGIN Miracle Treatment line. This is the amount of hair after I've completely washed and detangled my hair. This is the amount of hair that I got after. And I am thankful for that because my hair is thriving because I am taking very good care of it. And this is my hair after everything is washed out. And now I'm ready to style my hair and have my hair ready for the next protective style. And this is it. Let me know, do you have a go-to way to care for your hair? Let me know below.